How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to show you my drawing studio. I've shown it before, but some things have changed, moved some things around, but let's go ahead and take a look at it. This is where I do all my drawings. I got my two lights set up there. Just got those recently, and 105 watts each. And this here is the camera. When you see my videos when I'm drawing. And this over here, scrap piece of paper to test the pen, see if it's working. And my sketchbook, some recent drawings I've done. Over here I've got all my pens and pencils organized. No ink, fountain pen ink, ink for dip pen, ink block. I've got markers, Sharpie markers, and I have fine point Sharpies, and then a whole bunch of Sharpies. Mechanical pencils, colored pencils, regular pencils. I have it all organized, and I just took oatmeal containers and I cut them in half. And this here, more pens, lots of pens. Regular pencils, colored, ballpoint, fine liners, more Sharpies, gel pen, more different gel pens. These are all my fine tip microns and off-brand of microns I use. Fountain pen, and my computer setup. I just got this recently. It's a Focusrite, and use that for my Audio-Technica 2020. It's got really good quality. Surround sound speakers, keyboard, mouse, the usual necessities, and glasses, notebook for taking notes, some drawings I did recently, stuff to make my room smell good. Here's some of my business cards. I haven't changed my logo recently, and the one I have on my channel right now is my new logo. It's the one's my profile picture. And this is my whole assortment of random things that I have over here. All my camera supplies and whatnot. Cutting board for paper. Paints, pencils, more paints. And up there is my really big pieces of papers. Rolls of paper. Some paintings and some other stuff. These are just my. This is like these are isograph pens, but these are like cheap off-brand. I'm never going to use those again. They're horrible quality. And then I've got plenty of paper, as you can tell. And sketchbooks. All kinds of sketchbooks. I've got smooth paper, rough, Bristol board, vellum, small sketchbooks, moleskins, vellum here. I have some handmade sketchbooks, all kinds of different colored pencils and stuff I have up here in this set. A chalk and pastels, and these are some, what were these? Prismacolor markers. This has got a bunch of my drawings in it over there. And then up here I've got more papers. Sharpies. I like using these for when I'm doing big murals, or if I'm drawing on a big piece of paper. There's some other paper rolls I have in my easel. Paint brushes. Some random supplies. Mechanical pencil lead. And then I have in here, if I can get to it without everything falling everywhere, is glass dip pen and erasers and everything in there, and crayons, more erasers, paintbrushes, all my camera's stuff. Completely random assortment of things that I don't really know how to organize because it's just so completely random. Paints, all kinds of paints, wood tacky glue, house paint, whatnot. Some stuff in here that I don't really use that often. I just set in this corner over here. It's a painting I did about a year ago. And printer, I have to get a new printer. That one doesn't scan large enough for me. See, I've got plenty of sketchbooks, as you can tell. Sometimes I just come over here and I don't know what sketchbook to use, and I just close my eyes and I just pick one. You know, it doesn't matter to me. I just pick one, and then whatever sketchbook I pick, and then I just start drawing with whatever works for that sketchbook. I haven't used those yet. I have to use those sometime. I'll just show you guys some more colored and colorful art videos. Derwent. They always make really good pencils. As of right now, I actually took my mattress, my memory foam mattress topper, from my bedroom, and I moved it in here because my air conditioner is right there, so it keeps me cool at night, because right now I've only got one air conditioner and it gets pretty hot in my bedroom. And these are some drawings I've done. That one was for an art, well, it wasn't an art contest, it was just for a museum. Had that one there in the museum for about a month, and that one there, and with it I had another drawing I did that was a portrait of my little nephew. Then over here I have another big drawing. It's just a doodle I did, and this one was shared on Facebook. I think it's at 1.5 million views now. Got a lot more views than I thought I would get, but I don't even know what it is. It's actually upside down right there. I'll turn the right way up so you can see it. That's the way it's supposed to go. And then I have behind here some other doodles I've done and whatnot. Drawings. I got this huge canvas here. I don't even know what to draw on it yet, or to paint. I think I have enough isograph ink. If you're wondering what tripod I use when I'm recording these videos, I'll leave a link in the description. You can check that out. I love this fountain pen. I do have quite a collection of canvases, and I have my little tiny easel here. Someone got that for me, and I gotta do a tiny little painting on that. And those are a bunch of masonite boards I'm gonna use for painting as well, and some of my umbrella parts for my umbrella lights. Bunch of random boards that not sure what I want to do with them yet, but I'll find something creative. And this is one of my boom poles that I use for holding a microphone, or I can put a camera on there if I wanted to. Hope you enjoyed my little studio tour, and if you have any questions about my art supplies, what I use, how I use them, go ahead and comment down below and I'll get back with you. But for now, thank you for watching, and I'm gonna go do some doodling. You have a good day.